guys, this is your host again, Natanya Pollard. Welcome back to another episode of Beauty Bargains. I'm super excited about this product that I will be featuring on today. And I got this product at my local Walgreens for $1.89. So I bought the last two that was on the shelf. So I roughly paid around $4 for both of these products, regularly priced $9 for one. And the product that I'm talking about today is the Garnier SkinActive Peel Off Mask with charcoal. And the best part is available for all skin types with clogged pores. It has no oils, no parabens, or silicone. So we're going to try this out. I'm going to basically do an unboxing and a tutorial with the directions that I'm going to be reading right off the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I am going to try the peel off mask, the black charcoal mask by Garnier Skincare. And this is going to be my honest opinion and review about the product. I never used this product before, but I'm super excited because number one, I got it for next to nothing. And number two, all know how I feel about skincare. So the packaging is pretty much standard. It comes in a box and it comes in a small tube, 1.7 fluid ounces. And I'm just going to be reading the directions right off the box. You're supposed to apply a thick layer to a freshly washed face, which I did, avoiding the eyes and the lips and the hairline. So you don't want to avoid those areas. And I guess with the hairline, you don't want it to stick and have those hair follicles to attach and pull out. So you're going to apply that. You're going to let it set for 20 minutes. Then you're going to begin to peel the mask from the outer edges until the mask is all the way done. So I have the fresh washed face. And now I am going to apply the layer. As a matter of fact, let me shake it up. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up or not, but I am. I'm going to shake it up. And I'm just going to start out with this amount first. And that's like a quarter size amount. And it's black. It's like, looks like paint on my hands almost. So I'm going to, and it's kind of thick and gooey. So I'm going to apply. It's very cooling once you apply it on your face. And I do feel a tingling sensation. I guess because my pores is already open with me washing my face. So this is a thick layer, so that's what I'm trying to do, and avoiding my hairline. And of course, I have my hair in the way, so I'm going to take a little bit more and squeeze it out. And just finish applying to my areas. Now you can also target the areas on the back of the box. It stated if you just want to do your T-zone, you can, but I'm going all in. Going all in. And it says avoiding the eyes, so definitely avoiding the eyes, the hairline. And I guess they don't want the product to get in your mouth area, so you want to avoid that as well. So I'm going to let this set for 20 minutes. Basically, it said for it to dry completely. So I'll come back on camera once the 20 minutes is done. And I guess we'll go on to the next step in the process of peeling it off. All right, guys, so 20 minutes has passed and the mask is completely dry. My face does feel kind of tight because the mask is dry, but it's not irritating or anything. So I'm just going to find an area and start to peel it off. I feel the mask is kind of tough in taking off, so I got my magnifying mirror so I can be able to just peel at it a little bit more. And this is, again, my first time ever using a charcoal mask. taking it off is, to me, rather difficult. But my skin is not irritated or anything. So taking it off is a little difficult, but I think it's because I didn't apply the layer thick enough. I am going to try it again. So this is right at 6 minutes and the mask is not off yet. It's probably because I didn't apply a thick enough layer, but we're going to work right through it. But as I'm peeling it off, you guys, it's not irritating or anything. There we go. It's starting to come off now. And if you have peach fuzz, it will pull it out. Because I feel a little hairs coming out. But I do like the way my skin is looking overall. The taking off the mask is rather difficult. That is the one downfall of it. But I am going to try it again. I think it's because I did not put thick enough layers on it. And avoid your eyebrows, because again, it kind of like snagged out the peach fuzz, and I feel it tugging on the eyebrows as well. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this part off, you guys, but taking it off, and I do feel it's because I did apply a thin layer, and I thought it was thick, but I think it was really thin compared to how this is coming off. So I'm going to try it again because you're supposed to use it once, twice a week. So that's the only drawback to the mask so far, and I don't know if it's because I'm using it incorrectly, but my skin is not irritated. I already noticed a difference in my skin with what I already had peeled off. This is kind of brightened, so whatever impurities that were in my pores, I'm already starting to see a difference. My skin does not feel irritated. It does feel a little bit stripped, of course, because of the drying effect of the mask, so I will be going in with a moisturizer. The only drawback was it took forever and a day to peel the mask off, but I think it was the way I did apply it, so I'm going to try it again. The benefits of a charcoal mask: it helps get out all the impurities, oils, free radicals, anything that's set there to harm the skin. It's supposed to pull it right out. So I do see that it actually did that. I'm very pleased with what it did with that. The downside effect of it is that it takes forever in a day to pull it off. Right now I'm right at 23 minutes and I still have not gotten all of the mask off. So I'm going to work on this a little bit more, and I'm going to come back to you all with the end with my final thoughts. All right, guys, so my final thoughts of this product is that I think the product does work for as getting out all of the impurities and the oil and the dirt and the grime. But the way the product works, it did not work for us peeling it off. It was several different small pieces, and I know this is gross, but these were all the pieces that came off, and it was very tedious. It took me right around 30 minutes just to peel the mask off. It did dry within the 20 minutes that it stated that it would, around the allotted time that it stated for it to dry, but peeling it off was the biggest disappointment. Now I will try it again before I finally give a final say so, but as of the peeling off portion, it gets 0 stars. But the way my skin looks and feels, I will give it a 4.5, 5. My skin looks amazing. I do see the difference in that. Now it does feel kind of tight and kind of stripped, so I definitely will be going in with a moisturizer to put some of that moisture back in the skin. But this concludes this beauty bargains deal. I picked this up for $1.85, so I won't complain because of the price, but it's the Garnier SkinActive Black Charcoal Mask. Thank you all, you guys. Again, be blessed and be glamorous.